everyone. It's Monday, and of course, oh, Jesus. And this headband does not want to stay on my head, and it's driving me crazy. Oops. Okay. So, I really don't have a lot going on because I'm completely out of breath. Today, I don't know, every time I keep doing a little bit of anything, I have a severe pain in my chest. One reason could be it's still snowing off and on here in Michigan. Today it's like rain and then snow, so I don't know what's going on today. It's super cold still to me. It's only like 40 degrees, which is not warm at all to me. But this is a task that I've been wanting to do for the longest time, and I feel like today is the day to do it because I'm not feeling very well, and tomorrow I'll probably feel a lot worse, so I'm not gonna feel like doing anything tomorrow because I'm using up all my energy today. Like I tell you guys, when I have a boost of energy, like I'm doing everything, because that boost can turn to sickness or illness later in the day, or like I said, tomorrow. I've experienced this over the past 7.5, almost 8 years, so I know what happens when I'm like this. But what I've been wanting to do is tackle this. This is a nightmare to me. It's a complete nightmare. My OCD just wants to throw everything away, and I don't like it. It's madness. A lot of products in there I don't use. A lot of equipment like curlers. I have an old pair of flat irons from back in the, I don't know, in early 2000s with the gold plate, you know, the flat irons. I don't even use those anymore. So I'm gonna go and tackle this madness in the bathroom, and then I'll show you what it all looks like once I'm done. So here's the before. There's the before. Whoa. And I'll have to show you the after when I'm done. Okay, everyone, this is what it looks like finished. I threw away a lot of crap. It's more organized. I have my curlers, my InStyler brush, my InStyler wet dry right here, my blow dryers under my curlers, these thin flat irons. This is like rubbing alcohol, nail stuff, face wipes, sponges, gauze. This is hair stuff that I don't use all the time, along with like shampoos and conditioners that I use more so in the summer. And then we got the styling products and stuff in here. My mirror. Here I have this dye that I may or may not use on my hair, and these are products that I use on a regular basis. I put them down here so it's easier for me. My micellar water should probably go up here with that stuff. So yeah, and then this is attachments, face stuff, these things, more face stuff. My brushes, combs, scarves are in here, and this is Autumn's that I use on her hair after I wash it. It's a head towel thing to dry her stuff in here, her brushes, combs, hair ties, and these are all her headbands and stuff that will not go on her headband holder that I made. And these are just like random rollers, barrettes, clippies and stuff in here. And then this one is shower caps. So if it'll stay. It's a lot neater than it was before, and I'm really proud. Now I want to do something else, but like I said, I knew this was going to be it was going to take a lot of energy out of me and take the rest of whatever it is that I had. It was going to take it from me, but I'm really happy with the outcome. But yeah, I'm so happy with it. I know it doesn't look like much, but it is. It was a nightmare because I had to organize her stuff, organize my stuff. I mean, it didn't take that long, but for me it took quite some time because, like I said, I was having a little trouble breathing.